parked out front. I pulled out around, over here behind him, jumped out. I didn't even know it was him till I got in the window. I said, you know why they make this no parking zone, don't you? So we can get through here with a fucking truck. Get out of the way. So I'm going, but trying to get back. Alright.